The characteristic of good design, well, in a way we work with that all the time, every day. But good design, I think, first of all, it has to function. If it don't explain itself somehow, and especially with objects which we have been working together on here, it's very, very important that the communication is obvious and very easy to understand. The inspiration for the Berentzen line, well, first of all, it's of course solving the functionality of these different items, which is part of the range for Berentzen. I think the innovative part is very important. I like that we find something further to the design. The Berentzen line is the first time that such a line have been created, and so therefore it's fantastic that Berentzen have had this idea to create such a line, and I think it's pleasing architects because now they get a line where the objects are linked together in a series. First of all, there's a series of functionalities which we have to answer, and then the next very important thing is that to make these objects understandable for the consumer, it must be very, very obvious where to press to get soap up, where to push to get the towel out, and so forth. And so that's very important part. And of course, then the nice appearance is also important. All the products contains a functional part, which you can see at the top and in the bottom, and in the bottom you have the obvious communication that it's here you operate the object. So here you press and you get soap. Then we have the soft cover, which you can get in different colors. And that means that with the color you can adapt the series to different environment, first of all. You can also say, well, maybe you have a strong green color in your identity. And that means that or blue, for instance, and then that means that you can signal your identity color in the restroom, which is an obvious advantage. I have a very strong feeling about different clients, I must admit, and I have two types. I have the very strong clients, which are very dedicated, which are serious, which have the ability to understand what design means for the company, and definitely Berentzen have been one of these. We've had, I think, a fantastic dialogue with Berentzen, and so this positive dialogue have helped us a lot in designing this range. You ask which of these items are my preference. It's like asking me which of my 3 children do I like best. I mean, they have different characters and are different in that way, but and the same with these. This is a higher one and there's a lower one, but they're all part of the family, I think.